All right, listen carefully. If you're learning to code right now and you feel stuck, confused, or slow, this might be exactly what you need. Because most people don't fail coding, they fail the process. Mistake number one, copy pasting code without understanding it. You find a solution, paste it, it works. You feel like Spider-Man discovering powers for the first time. But then something breaks, and suddenly power's gone. Panic mode. Copying is not the problem. Copying without understanding is the problem. Read the code, change it, delete lines, see what explodes. That's how your brain learns. Mistake number two, being scared to break things. Beginners treat code like fragile glass. Don't touch, don't move, don't risk. But real developers, they break things daily. Every bug you fix increases your skill. Think Hulk. More damage, more power. Mistake number three, typing without thinking. You open the editor, start coding immediately. 40 minutes later, you're lost. Good developers pause first. What's the input? What's the output? What steps connect them? Even Iron Man builds a plan before building the suit. Mistake number four, tutorial addiction. Watching tutorials feels productive, but watching someone code is not coding. That's like watching workout videos and expecting muscles. At some point, you must struggle alone. Confusion is not failure. Confusion is growth happening. Mistake number five, no direction. Random languages, random frameworks, random hype. Monday Python, Tuesday JavaScript, Wednesday blockchain, by Friday emotional damage. Pick one path, web, apps, games, data. Direction creates momentum. Now AI. Ignoring AI is stupid, but depending on AI completely is worse. If AI thinks for you, you lose. If AI helps you experiment, you win. Use it like Jarvis Assistant, not replacement. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop chasing perfection, start chasing momentum. Small projects, small wins, every day. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds skill. And remember, every developer you admire today was once confused, frustrated, and stuck on basic errors, even the ones building systems that fight Thanos-level problems. So build things, break things, fix things, and keep going, because the only developers who fail are the ones who stop.